Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Children, in the previous class we have listened the story and I have explained you the story with the animation part also. So let's continue our lesson with the glossary part. So this is the glossary, the new words or you can call it sight words. Justice, the act of being fair. Laborers, people who work hard. Minister, the important officers. Late, a person who no more. Dead, precious, very valuable, right? So these are the question answers part exercises. So we will show you the answers in the further classes. So let's come to the second bit. Choose the correct answer from the given bracket. So first one is the King Vikramaditya kingdom. No one was dash, strong, happy and happy. The answer is unhappy. Next, the second answer goes with the measure, the land and the start the work. The third one goes with the few days. The fourth bit goes with the hut. So I have told you the answers in the video. So write the answers and complete your work exercises. Okay, let's go for the next page. So you have to do this all by your own. Let's build the words. The new words are here. We have page number 24. So just the word used to as verb and noun. This is the verb which is used as verb and noun. Read it twice for more understanding purpose. Okay, let's come down with the opposite words. Strong, weak, gentle, light, danger. Like this you have to do it. Okay, opposite words. Faithful, appear, disappear, faithful, unfaithful and all. Yes, so let's go with the next page. So let's see, underline the words. Abstract noun in the following sentences. So you have to underline the abstract noun and do it by your own purpose. Okay. So we'll do this all the exercises in a classes session. Okay. So let's see this all and let's watch the activity also. So let's see first. The dash of the matter was brought to the light. The truth of the matter. During the infancy, his uncle went abroad. Blind dash is not appreciated obedience. The dash of the army lies in the hands of soldier. The strength of the army. There was so much of dash on hearing the funny speech. Laughter. He lived dash of a king. He lived life of a king. I have told you the answers, right? So listen to me carefully and write this exercises in your class reader. Okay. Let's go with the next page. So let's come here. This is the exercises. Use the appropriate abstract noun to fill the blank. So we will do this all in for the classes and working section classes. Okay. So let's listen this first. Everyday dialogue.
Let's listen. 1. Listen to a dialogue between Ranjit and a doctor. Does this sound familiar?
May I come in?
Yes, please. What is the problem?
I have fever and cold.
Okay, let's go with this next part.
2. Your teacher will read out dialogues like the one above. Guess the situation.
So nice to see you after such a long time.
I am so glad to see you too.
What will you have? Tea or coffee?
Don't bother yourself. I just had tea before coming here.
So you have to listen it
What
right.
time's the show? The next would be at 5:30. Can I have a ticket for the 5:30 show, please? Certainly.
So you have to understand it, right? So let's go with the next page. So this here, just rewrite the following words as abstract noun. Okay, owner, own, be. I'll give you the notes of this in the following groups. So let's go with the next page. Let's speak, learning to describe, right? So we'll continue this page in the next session, in the next class. Okay. So I hope you understand it. So let's go with this and we'll continue in the next class. Okay, students. Allah Hafiz. I hope you understand.